Tornado broom range has a 600mm and a 450mm option. The broom comprises a number of features which are different from a lot of brooms in the same class. Screw fit handle, alloy cast thread, metal powder coated handle with EVA grip, steel bracket which attaches to the broom head and supports the handle, and in this particular case 120mm of trim height. The broom comprises a rubber squeegee blade on the front edge so that it will remove surface water as well as sweeping. It can be inline merchandise. The handle will clip into the handle brackets for store use. The brace supports the alloy cast thread on the end of the metal powder coated handle, and we have an EVA grip, soft grip, halfway up the handle. It's the Tornado broom, available in two sizes, Brown's codes, AN305C for the 450mm and AN306C for the 600mm.